Hi everybody, how are you? Today, guess what I'm gonna be making? That's right, keto banana bread. 2 net carbs per serving. This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna show you right now what we're gonna be making it with. So we're gonna be using some Swerve, delicious, and almond flour from Walmart. We're gonna be using some full fat sour cream, Walmart. And the Swerve is from Whole Foods, by the way, Whole Foods. And some organic eggs, Walmart. Some cinnamon, yummy. A little bit of baking powder, okay. My very favorite butter of all time, Erythritol, yummy, yummy. Some sugar-free Lakanto maple syrup, this is delish. Doesn't raise blood glucose levels, super keto friendly, and some banana extract for flavoring. I'm actually not using real bananas, hence the carbs are going to be down on this one, but this is going to taste delicious, just like banana. Oh, and I forgot, we're going to be using vanilla flavored almond milk. So it's vanilla flavored, but it's unsweetened almond milk. Walmart, I got this. Okay, so are we ready?